Welcome to Unit 2, Applying Evidence-Based Practice. This is the opportunity to take all of the information you learned in Unit 1 and start to apply it in your own way, choosing a topic and starting to turn that into an evidence-based practice paper. You'll be working on Unit 2 for weeks 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're encouraged to read this overview that'll talk a little bit about what you're doing in this upcoming unit. There's the course outcomes that are covered in the unit, the course concepts, the unit outcomes that tie back to the course outcomes, and then your student preparation. You'll notice that there's a little bit more reading done throughout this unit, especially in weeks 6 and 7, as well as some application into an annotated bibliography. Because each of these assignments does take quite a bit of time and is not quite as straightforward as the quizzes you did during Unit 1, there will be a separate video embedded in each of these weeks. So please look in the week 5, week 6 and 7, and week 8 assignment pages for separate videos there.